how to fix WhatsApp backup not working. Hi guys, so in this video I will teach you how to fix WhatsApp backup not working. So if you want to learn how it's done, watch this video until the very end. This is pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So to do that, let's head over to in here. Just tap and hold WhatsApp right here. Click on App Info. And as you can see in here under permissions, just allow any permissions from in here in order to access WhatsApp. So if you can click on this all permissions right here, you can see all the permissions that you allow on WhatsApp. So just make sure to allow all of them. And also in here on the other app capabilities, you can see the view network connection. So it is actually allowed. So make sure that you also allow this have full network access in order to make this WhatsApp backup work for you. So another thing is to head over to your settings again and then search for battery saver. So when you head over to your battery right here, you can see that there's actually a power saving mode, and make sure that this is turned off because it can hinder the backup process of your WhatsApp, as it will limit the upload capacity of your backup when it is on a battery saver. So the next thing that you can do is to try to head over to WhatsApp itself, and as you can see, it has now opened this Google Drive backup. So just choose whenever that is possible for you, just click daily, and then choose the account that you want to add this to, and then this will authenticate to Google, and that should fix your problem. So just allow this and click on done. And when you click on the three dots under the settings right here, and when you scroll down, you can see the storage and data. So when you click on this manage storage, you can see all of there the managed storage that we have, and also the storage usage. So if that still doesn't work for you, what you can do is to just update your mobile software. To do so, you need to head over to your Play Store or App Store, search for WhatsApp right here. And when you click on this WhatsApp Messenger, make sure that you update it if there's an update button right here. But if you see an open button, that just means that your WhatsApp is already updated. However, if that's not the case, then you can just try to connect to your network that is the fastest. Check if your network connection is fast. So to check that, just head over to your browser. Then let's try to search for network speed test. So just click on this run speed test right here, and you should be able to know how fast your network is. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to fix WhatsApp backup not working. So if you have questions or comments, just comment them down below, and if not, make sure to like and subscribe if you love this kind of content. Follow for more.